don't think I'm going to be sharing this with my children right yet. Hi, I'm Ada. Welcome to my channel where I upload videos every Wednesday and Saturday. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you're new, please be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And be sure to smash that like button. So today I have another book bundler unboxing. And this time we got a pack of the beater books that I told you guys about last time, just to kind of see how those are. And then we also ordered a pre-K mixed box. So it was basically a box that was geared towards children like 5 to 7. So we're going to open this up and see what books we got this time. Nice. This thing is heavy. So the first ones we're going to open are the beater books. So let's get started on that. Okay, so this is the first one, and this is Winnie the Pooh. And let's see. This is just kind of what the inside looks like. I like this one. It's kind of cute. Martha Speaks. Looks pretty cute. Oh, I'm so excited. This one actually, I was hoping to get some with the library stickers still on it. And there's one on the back that says Oakville Public Library. So that's fun. I don't know where Oakville is. See? Like on the inside. I don't know where that's at, but that's pretty cool. This next one is also from Oakville Public Library. And this is pretty cool because this one is in French. I don't speak French, but we like having books in our house from different languages, so this will be fun. Technical difficulties. Alright, so this next one is from Fortville Elementary School. Don't know where that's at, but that's where this is from. And it is The Adventures of Sunny and the Chocolate Dog. Looks cute. Very odd cover though. Cover looks backwards, like it feels like it should be the back of the book. Oh. So this is kind of what the inside looks like. Called From Acorn to Zoo, and it's just a letters book, which is pretty cool. Oh, I like this. Look at this. Like, for the E's. For the E's, it says like, you know, ear, eye, elephant. I have no idea what that says. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what that says. But yes, it says famous children, and then I suppose this is the name of a famous child. And then this is kind of what it looks like on the inside. These are actually, you know, surprisingly, for being like, you know, labeled beater books, they actually seem to be in pretty good condition so far. Alright. Goodnight Moon. Zany Zoo. Zany Zoo. Very cute. And this is what the inside looks like. Oh goodness. I remember these ones. This is a Usborne potty time book. We had ones like this when our children were younger. I might end up gifting this to someone since our children don't really need this anymore. 3 little kittens. Oh boy. These are quite the colorful pages. And then, I mean, like, there is like this, but that's fine. My manners matter. Rude people are often very lonely people. Says so in this book. Right there. Oh! Oh! I don't think I'm going to be sharing this with my children right yet. Yeah, I don't think they'd be very happy to see that. That might upset them. So we're going to wait a little while for this one. My children actually used to watch these funny little rabbit things. So that's this. Let's see the inside. And that's what the inside looks like. I don't really see any real damage or anything inside the pages of like this one. My Monster and Me, and it has a whopping 8 pages. It feels like so thin, if you guys could see that. This kind of looks like this. Very cute. Very short. Alright. So then we have this one. Mini Easter Bonnet Parade. It's the front page. Hamilton didn't want it anymore. And this is just kind of what the inside looks like. You know, kind of like the rest, not really worn, honestly. So right now, this is a pretty good deal for what we paid for it. Let's see. Ooh! Oh my gosh! I already love this book. It's called Look What Came from China. And it has a Shar-Pei on it. That is too cute. I had a Shar-Pei when I was little, so that excites me. Reading First, School Number 98. That's what it says on the inside cover there. Oh. Oh, look at him. Look at the cute little Shar-Pei in there. And it just like is a book telling you about all the different like things that come from China. So you get like musical instruments, animals. It's like fashion and medicine. So that's pretty cool. It's very interesting. Alright. Let's see here. Then we have, oh, perfect timing. Why do leaves change colors? And then this is what the inside looks like. Very colorful. Oh, has like the different leaf examples. That's pretty cool. This will be useful in our homeschool corner. It's called Good Dog Carl. Look at Carl. There's a baby on the back. With Carl, who is pouring milk for him. Oh, what did you do? Oh. Alright, Jessie. I see you, Jessie. Jessie just writing her name all in there. Man. Jessie meant business. She wanted everyone to know this was Jessie's book. More Jessie. Seems like a very interesting book. There's not really any words in it other than Jessie's name. But look at this dog. This dog is serious about giving this baby some milk. And what is that? Hershey's syrup. Look at this. That dog is giving him Hershey's syrup. Right, get him. It's very cute. Jessie, I see what you did there. Alright. Then we have a book called Notorious Numbers. Ooh. Alright. It's just a book on counting. Alright, and then we have Archibald Frisbee. Like that. Alright. Never seen this book, but hey, it looks pretty interesting. Alright, then we have Big Bad. Okay. Big Bad and a Little Scary. Chomp chomp. Says Poems That Bite Back. First page I open to is about sharks. Look at the beautiful sharks. I love sharks. Let's see. Lion. Look, a lion, mighty beast. Might he bite me for a feast? Though I know he wouldn't dare, I'm mighty glad he's over there. Yeah, it was like, it's not that I'm that terrible at reading. It was like, over here you got this, and then that's over there. Cute though. Poems. Alright. Cleveland. They want you to know this came from Cleveland. It says Cleveland all over the top. It is called What Next, Baby Bear? Oh look, how cute. This reminds me of, like Little Bear. That's what this right here reminds me of. The intro to Little Bear. I feel like this might be something of that nature. Because that's just what like this kind of reminds me of. Is like the show Little Bear. Yes. Oh my gosh, I was hoping to get this. There was an old lady who swallowed a chick. We literally have, I think, 4 of these books and like all the different she swallowed whatever. So happy to get this one because then we can add it to our thing. And we can also do activities with this because we have activities for the other books. Miss Nancy. Ooh, I know your address, Miss Nancy. I won't show it on YouTube, but I do have your address. There's a sticker on here with the lady's address. In, what is MI? Missouri? The inside of the book. Ooh. Look at her just going to town on this candy. Oh. More candy. So next we have Commotion in the Ocean. Or Commotion Over There. Let's see. Looks like it just has like different kind of stories. Different kind of stories about animals in the oceans and such. It's cute. Oh my goodness. Why is this book? What the fuck? Okay. So we got 10 dirty pigs and 10 clean pigs. This is like one of those, oh boy. I'm so confused. Like the pages like this that are just normal. Oh. And then once you get, you know, to here, it tells you to like close the book and flip it upside down to read this book that's in there. My son is legit gonna love this book. It's called Pirates Don't Change Diapers. He likes being a little pirate. I don't know. It's pretty cute. Baby's got a beard. He looks like he's going through some things. I'm really honestly like, these books, like, yeah, they seem a little worn, but they're retired library books, so that's okay. But they're not like that terrible. The little old lady who was not afraid of anything. This is kind of what the inside looks like. Conquest of Mount Everest. I don't think this is like, my children are going to want to read this right about now, but that's okay. We can surely read it when they get older. I don't think we have this. I think we had the like little one from Chick-fil-A, but I know they like these, and it is Click Clack Moo Cows That Type. They like this. It's really cute where the cows, you know, type a letter to the farmer, telling them, you know, they want certain things, and it's like the different animals who write things. It's a cute book. If you've not read it, it is cute. Alright. It's called The Scary Sleepover. This looks like a really cute kid's book. I'm assuming about Halloween sleepovers. Harry and the Terrible What's It. I'm assuming this is a What's It. I don't know. But this looks cute. I really appreciate this next book because obviously they don't know our family or anything like that, but I really do appreciate books like this that are about children with special needs because it helps us kind of teach our children, especially our daughter who doesn't have any special needs, about, you know, other children who are just like her, but they're just a little different. So we like books like this, and this is called Extraordinary Friends by Mr. Rogers. I like that they have actual children's pictures in here because I feel like children relate more when they see pictures of actual children versus cartoon children. So I like this. Ultimate X-Men. Oh. I don't think my children are going to be into this, but we surely will be. And it's just like little comics of X-Men. So that's cool. It is more comics. It looks like a bunch of fun going on in here. So we will enjoy this. Alright. Oh, I love these books that are kind of helpful for homeschooling. This one is about light. It says a questions and answer book. Let's see. Why do some things make shadows? It's pretty cool. Body battles. And I'm assuming this one. Let's see. This book introduces children to the natural defense weapons in their super sensational, what a creational, brilliant, and fabulous bodies. So that is what this is about. Look at these white blood cells just going about their day. It's actually cool. I love books like this. Alright, we're going to learn about some stomach acid. This is cool. Alright, let's see here. Then we have Barry and the Honey Bear. This book definitely looks old, so I'm liking that. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I love it. Love these old books. This duck is trying to bite the bear's butt. Very cute. When was this made? Oh my goodness. Oh, you looking like you about to get some tetanus from these staples in there. Look at that. We're going to get some tetanus. I'm going to take that out and probably restaple it. That looks a little dangerous. Alright. Well. This is called Here Comes the Bride. I don't really know how I feel about this one. What in the world? Ooh! What kind of bride is this? What is she wearing? What is this? This ain't how brides dress. She's thotting it up out there. Mm-mm. My goodness. No. But yeah, that's what this looks like. Alright, then we got Let's Meet the Dentist. Okay, cool. It's a book that kind of introduces kids to the dentist. My children actually don't mind going to the dentist because they get toys after they're done, so they never mind it. But it just kind of tells you about like the different stuff that they use, so it's pretty cool. Let's see. What a day it was at school. Looks like that. Oh, I feel like I've seen these characters before. I don't know. It looks like it has different poems in it. Because you got like this. And then the next one, it has like how to add. So, it looks like a bunch of poems, so that's cool. Alright. Alright. Then we have this one that says, Rock on, unearth the natural treasures beneath your feet. Looks like that on the outside. Obviously, this is kind of messed up. But, suppose I can just take that cover off. Oh, no. We have page. Legit fell out. Alrighty then. Oh. Yeah. Alright. So I think I'm gonna see if there's anything we can do about this because, yeah, it's just falling apart. So while this will be cool to use laminated maybe, the book is just not holding itself together because the glue right there is coming unglued. Alright, so those were the 40 beater books that we got from the book bundler. If you want to see the other 50 that we got for the pre-K mix box, make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss the next time I upload a video for part 2. Bye guys!